This is day 2. Yesterday we were introduced to 3 words: ceremony, desire, and pelt. And again, these words in week 10 vocabulary are coming from text Chicken Sunday by Patricia Palaco. Just a reminder, the word ceremony is referring to an event that celebrates a special occasion or honors someone. The word desire means to want or to wish for or to long for something. We also learned that the word pelt is a multiple meaning word, and it can mean to strike or hit something again and again. It can also mean a skin or the fur of an animal. So we are going to play a game called Create a Sentence, where I will tell you the beginning of a sentence with one of yesterday's vocabulary words. You will use your imagination and what you know about the word to finish the sentence. The first example: Ted and Martha had a ceremony to celebrate. What might their ceremony celebrate? If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. So would it make sense to say that Ted and Martha had a ceremony to celebrate their 50th wedding anniversary? Why or why not? Think to yourself. You're right, it would make sense because we know that a ceremony is an opportunity to celebrate a special occasion, such as a 50th wedding anniversary. Take a look at this sentence. If Sean could have anything in the world, he would most likely desire blank. If you have someone next, you can turn and talk or think to yourself. It makes sense to say something like, I desire horseback riding lessons, but my parents say I must wait until I'm 12. Does that make sense? Why or why not? Right, using the word desire in this sentence would make sense because we know that desire means to want or long for something. So in this sentence, this child or person is longing for and wanting horseback riding lessons. Take a look at this sentence. I was pelted by. If you have someone next to you, you can turn and talk to complete this sentence or think to yourself. Would it make sense to say something like, I might pelt someone when I have a snowball fight with my brother? Using the word pelt in a sentence describing a snowball fight does make sense because we know the word pelt means to strike something again and again, over and over.
Like the rain is pelting the roof right now.
Exactly. The rain is pelting the roof. Let's look at this example. So we have a suffix here. We're adding the suffix able to a word, which means worthy of being. So we have the root word desire, and we are adding that suffix. Now we have the new word desirable. Desirable means worthy of being desired. That wraps up day 2. We'll see you back tomorrow for day 3.